types of Ijarah. Ijarah amal, to employ the services of a person, and wages are paid as a consideration for the services rendered. Ijarah Ain relates to the hiring of any assets or properties in order to reap its benefits without the transfer of ownership. In this situation, Miss Wahida will open tuition center, namely Math A tuition. But the problem is she does not have enough chairs and tables to open her tuition center completely. So that, in this situation, Miss Wahida determined of need and negotiation, which is chairs and tables, with the seller first, and then seller quotation with agreed price, terms and condition to Miss Wahida. After Miss Wahida agree with that agreement, Miss Wahida decide to take asset on lease with the bank by an Ijarah. After Miss Wahida already request an Ijarah of the asset and promised to take asset on lease, the bank went to the seller to purchase the commodity via cash payment. Officially, the bank is ownership of asset and the seller delivery of asset to the Miss Wahida. The next step, bank lease the asset to Miss Wahida and right to use on agreed rental basis. And then the rental payment based on the agreed payment plan and asset returned to the bank upon expiry of lease tenure during 5 years. Ijarah Ain. Miss Wahida will open tuition center, namely Math A tuition, but the problem is she does not have enough chairs and tables to open her tuition center completely. She decided to lease the commodity with contract during 5 years. Miss Wahida meet the seller of chairs and tables to know the details of the commodity. The seller quotation, the price, terms and condition to Miss Wahida with cost financing is Rm5,000 with the profit rate 10%. Now, she want to know how much payment monthly that she need to pay to the bank on lease of the asset. From here, we see that cost financing is Rm5,000, the profit rate is 10% and the tenure is 5 years. The first step, we need to find the profit P equals to cost financing CF times to profit rate I and times to tenure D equals to 5,000 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 5, and we get the profit is Rm 2,500. Now we need to find the total lease rental TLR equals to cost financing CF plus profit P. 5,000 plus 2,500 and equals to Rm 7,500. And now we can find the monthly rental that Miss Wahida need to pay to the bank, which is TLR divided by N equals to 7,500 divided by 12 times 5, and we get the monthly rental is Rm 125. So Miss Wahida need to pay Rm 125 to the bank during 5 years her contract. In Ijarah Amal, Math A tuition don't have enough teachers to run her business smoothly. She get teachers contact from a school nearby her tuition, teacher AZWANIZA. Miss Wahida checked the background of teacher AZWANIZA before approach her to cooperate with her business. Finally, Miss Wahida decided to hire teacher AZWANIZA as a teacher at Math A tuition with the contract. Therefore, Miss Wahida need to pay the service of profession teacher AZWANIZA during the contract, which is 2 years. Cost of financing to pay the service is Rm 7,200. Teacher AZWANIZA want to know how much she will be paid monthly. The info that we get here is cost financing equals to Rm 7,200 and the tenure is 2 years equals to CF divided by N, which is 7,200 divided by 2 times 12. So teacher AZWANIZA will be paid Rm 300 monthly during 2 years by Math A tuition company. Hi, I'm Miss Wahida. I want to request rent and equipment for table and chair for my tuition center. Will open soon.
Oh sure, let me have a discuss first. So how much chair and table that you need?
I want to rent 200 chairs and 50 tables.
Okay, I will count the cost final first. So the cost of finance is 5,000. So we can proceed with the price.
Yes, of course, I agree.
So how many years you want to sign the contract?
I think about 5 years.
Okay, sure, I will prepare the contract first. Okay, this is the contract. You can read first. If you agree, then with the content you can sign.
Okay, I agree with this agreement for 5 years.
So this is the contract when you list our equipment.
Thank you for your cooperation.
You're welcome. Please, have a seat. Hi Miss, welcome to the Islamic Bank. So may I help you?
I want to request an Ijarah of the asset to lease.
What do you want to list?
I want to open a tuition center, but I don't have enough equipment for my tuition, so that I want to lease the equipment from the bank.
What equipment do you want to list?
I want to list chairs and also the tables.
Do you have an agreement with the seller?
Oh yeah, sure, here.
So this is the list of agreement. You can see it.
So that I need to pay to the bank RM 125 monthly.
Yes, for 5 years. Do you agree?
Okay, I agree with this agreement. I agree to pay to the bank for RM 125 for 5 years.
I will list the equipment for you for 5 years. Hi, I am Puan Azwar from Islamic Bank. I want to do with you about to purchase the equipment that from Cik Wahida asked for. Okay, let me see the contract. So this is your contract with Cik Wahida. Let's see. Okay, we can proceed with the agreement. So this is the proof of purchase. So this is 5,000 ringgit. Okay, then I set the equipment. Okay, I buy. I think that's all our selling and buying process. Thank you for dealing with me. Okay, you're welcome.
Hi, are you teacher Azwaniza?
Yes, I am.
I'm Miss Wahida that texted you yesterday.
Oh, have a seat.
Thank you. So this is our contract that I have prepared for you and you can sign on it.
Okay, let me read first. Okay, I agree. I will sign it. So I will start for next 2 months, right?
Yes, true. You will start after next 2 months. Thank you for your leisure time and your profession and work with us. Thank you, Teacher Azwaniza.
You're welcome.